Hi there everyone, this is Santosh here. And today we are started a new series that is related to the statics which are used in computer science very rapidly way. That may be computer data scientist, data analyst and so many. And I would like to say the two definitions of statistics and its types and some of the examples related to it. So now let's start it. Statistic for it may be data scientist, it may be data analyst, or business intelligence expert. It depends upon you. So I would like to say a definitions at first. I don't write a deeply definitions that you can also search it from the internet. So in this series, I would like to say is basic unstable definitions related to statics. So statistics statistic is a branch of mathematics. It is the science. So statistics is a science of collecting organizing analyzing data why to make better decision or you can say make better decisions. We need statistics in our business. These definitions consist collecting, organizing, analyzing, and data. It maybe also includes interpreting, presenting of the data. So these is the components which are available or that may be included in the statistics to make the better decisions, to make the predictions of the businesses, what will in the future, what will be the in the upcoming futures. So before going to in deeply about the of its types, we need to discuss what is collecting, what is organizing, analyzing, and data, interpreting, presenting. Before discussing its component, this is called component. Components are its characteristics, features. Before going to its components, we need to understand about the data. So at first we need to discuss about the definitions of data. I have written only one definition now. I will discuss later the second definition of statistics. So what is data? Data means nothing, it is just fact or piece of information. But we can say it is a fact. It is the piece of information, but facts and piece both can be measurables, or both must be in the numerical form, just like marks of the student. Marks of first sem first semester student in college, just like 72, 50, 39, 60, and so on. It means it is the fact, it is the data, it is the piece of, it gives some information, it is the data. It is in the form of numerical method. It can be measured. So data means fact or piece of information that can be measured in numerical form. So we understood about the data. What is data? And after it, it is very important to understand its components. Apart from this, it is very important to go in its components. What things are in statistics that makes that is easy or that is very better to making a decision making in the organizations, or any facts of data or piece of information, and that information must be in the form of numerical. It means quantitative way. It is the it can be measured 72, 50, 29, 60, and so on. So in the first definitions, what we learn? We learn statistics is the branch of mathematics, or statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and presenting, and so on. So at first, statistics is its first component is collecting. And what is collecting? Gather informations, gather data from the different sources like surveys, interviews, and other, maybe other resources. We collect data. This is the step first. We collect data, and the collected data must be organized. Organizing. First we collect data, and second we organize in the form of table, chart, bar chart, etc. In the form of table, chart, we organize it. What types of data this? And the third one is what we have written: collecting, organizing, analyzing. We have to analyze the data, its characteristics. What type of data is this? And the fourth one is interpreting, which is very important components of the statistics, because in the first we collect the data, we organize the data. In the organize second step, we organize the data in the form of table form, chart, histogram, and later we discuss about the table, chart, and histogram also. Histogram and bar graph. It is many more. Analyze the data. by using through the using various statistical tools, statistical tool, we analyze the data for making decision. This is the very important components. Interpreting, it means decision making. Decision or prediction on data. And the fifth one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Presenting. It is the final report. Insightful report. Insightful. Interpreted means decision, prediction. Presenting means it is the final report. We have to present at the last by doing these steps. The first one is collecting the data or gathering data. From different sources. That may be surveys, that may be other resources. This is the first step. Organize. We have to organize. Only collecting is not the statics. We can't make any insightful decisions on data, whatever we collected. We need to organize that data. What types of that data? How, if we are collecting the people, the populations, sampling, then how many people we collect, and in what basis, in what indicators we have we collect the data. Then we need to organize. Where we can organize? It makes visibility. It makes visibility. Organize means it makes visibility of the data what we have collected already. Analyzing. In analyzing, we use some statistical rules just like mean, mode, median, variance, correlations. It means it is used to find the relation between the collected data. Interpreting means it is the fourth step to making decisions, predictions, insightful result, insights. Why you collect data? We found at last we reached in that conditions in which the data have the some it gives insightful decisions. At last, presenting. This is the last components. The statics. That is presenting. This is the final report. Insightful reports here. So we go forward. We see types of statics.